to the Crypto End Times. This is LC, and today we're going to be exploring top bounty platforms where you can do micro tasks and get paid in crypto by doing so. So let's get started out without further ado. First of all, we have the Superteam's Earn platform, which is one of the more popular ones as there's a lot of listings on this platform, and there's multitude of different tasks. It ranges from creating videos for certain types of projects, and most of these usually tend to also have multiple people who are going to be winning. So for example, for this one here, it's actually pretty good as there's only 48 submissions here, so that gives you a pretty good odds percent wise. And if you're like even a mid good video maker, you can actually make some money here. I mean, if I had the time, I would basically enter this contest myself. Now there's also a lot of like Twitter threads that seems to be very popular format, which a lot of these projects are really looking for. Those can't be that hard to make really when you think about it, as you can use AI and things like that. But obviously, you know, they are looking for quality. And here, for example, we have like 3 people are winning here and only 7 submissions. So there's a lot of these tasks over here which are not very competitive. So people are obviously leaving crypto in waves. So there's more work for you. And currently there's like around 10 tasks available on this platform in terms of bounties. And it's a pretty clean website. You can register with your wallet, I believe, or with email. But let's move into the next one. Then we have Zero Authority. And this is like basically part of the Stacks platform. And you can basically log in with your Stacks account. So if you have Ledger wallet, you can basically log in. And the way I kind of understood is that it's like very decentralized. So the transactions are done on chain. So I think the rewards are going to be directly sent to your wallet, because there used to be a one platform that I did review, like bounty.ox. I'm not sure if that is alive anymore, but there were tasks that I entered in that website and I didn't get paid on some of them at all. So that's very nice to have also decentralized options here. There's like, anywhere from video tasks, it seems to be clipping, design, and Mozo. Well, we're going to be talking about that in a second, but there has been a multitude of different tasks here, and a fair amount in considering that, it's not like a super big chain. Stacks is not super big, and basically the rewards seem to be paid in STX mostly, which has been kind of bleeding in price. But hey, doing tasks on the bear is actually kind of smart because the price can go up on the next cycle. And knowing if that coin is going to be around. I mean, Stacks is the best L2 for big Bitcoin in my opinion. Then we have Whiz. And there's a couple of things. Well, this is actually currently like everything seems to be in review, so everything have just literally closed down. But this seems to be another one. There was a pretty good prize pool here. For example, 10 people basically got prizes and 77 submissions. So basically, like, what are we talking about? Over 10% chance to basically win. And some of these like videos and things like that is like pretty easy to do, wrap up with something with AI. So another platform where you can basically do things. And some platforms are like where you can post your own bounties. Some are a bit more curated. And so then there, of course, are platforms where you are just simply, just entering into these contests. But, they're just things, work differently on each single site. Then we have LaborX. And this actually has 1,229 jobs right now. And this seems to be probably like a lot more mainstream. And also like there's a lot of things that seem to be outside of crypto. So somebody's looking for like, this is a lot more closer to Fiverr, I guess. So these are, well, actually this is paying also in crypto, but it seems to be a lot of other options here. And you can post your own gigs here as well. And, there are actually pretty good rates here in terms of what they're looking for. So a lot of money to be made. I don't know how competitive this is. So you have to kind of like, contact them and then secure the deal. So it's a bit of a different system. But I remember that we have talked about this website at some point. I think this originated from like Stellar or something like that. This has been around for quite a long time. I think like 2019 or something. So this is like one of the things that, in my early years in crypto YouTube, I did review. So another one which I would definitely take a look if you're looking for a lot more normal stuff. These seem to be a lot more outside of crypto. So, a bit more regular on the bounty side of here, and uh, apparently polymarket stuff even here. But let's move on into our fifth and final entry of the list, which is Gibwork. This one seems to have a lot of tasks which are actually by the platform themselves right now, but that doesn't matter. And there is actually some other people who have done bounties also on the platform. Some of these actually are pretty high, 10k, 10k. So pretty well paying bounties here in the past. And there's going to be a different level of volume on tasks. That's why it's important to be on many platforms, so you can find like, okay, this gig interests me, I'm going to go for this one. And there's not that many much competition. I know for a fact, as I've participated on these past, and maybe I'll have to start participating on them myself too, now that the markets are kind of dried up, and so are my coffers. Now, lastly, I do want to put out a plug for Mozoflix. And this was one of the platforms which were featured in the Zero Authority. And this is basically somewhere where you just log in with your wallet, and then you are just going to be watching a video, and the wallet is basically verifying you. And it's simple as if you watch like the certain percentage of the video. Once you actually reach that number, it will, in this case, it's 70%. And then you will get basically paid out for this. Now, you have to watch till the end. I don't know if there's any type of gaming system. I don't know what type of algorithm they are using underneath. I watched all the videos on the platform. Basically, this was one Mr. Beast video, which was very long. And why are people doing this, though? I mean, they're paying a lot more than the view is actually worth. But what they're doing here is they are farming watch time. So if your video on YouTube gets like 70, or actually anything for long form 16 to 9 format videos that get over 50% watch time, are gonna go basically viral on the platform. So they basically fix out these things. And here it says, okay, this wallet has already claimed the reward. And basically anybody could basically bot in more wallets and then just log in and watch with VPN or something like that. I'm not trying to give ideas for people to cheat the system, but hey, maybe if it'll pick up, there's going to be a lot more videos. Currently, there's only 7. A couple of these have basically run out of money already. So they already, went through that. And maybe I will try it out myself and see if I will be getting any views to the platform. And you can apparently use XX stuff as well here. So it's not just YouTube videos that it will be making you to watch. And then lastly, there is Immunefi, which is basically a bug bounty platform for basically people who are coders. Not that's 99% of you are not coders, guys. So this is not for you. Now, I'm going to be writing an actual article version at sagerunner.net. So in my website, you're going to be finding more wholesome thing. Tomorrow I'm going into a surgery, actually in like 7 hours or something like that. So I don't know how sick my arm is going to be, how long it will be taking for me to actually do that article. But if you're watching this video from a week from now, maybe there's a chance that I basically dropped out that article, which will have more of these bounty platforms and also platforms that are focused on coding and bug fixes. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next video.